Hello traders, welcome back to Forex UG, where we make the world of trading easy and help you make informed decisions in the Forex market. If you're ready to level up your trading journey, stick around because in today's video, we are going to dive deep into Forex trading analysis.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Well, Forex trading analysis is the backbone of every strategy. And in this video, I'm going to be using support and resistance, price action, and trend line as my strategy. So let's get down to the charts. I'm going to be using GBP USD, and I shall be giving you this example basing on 5 minutes. So if you come on the 5 minutes, the first thing that you're going to be doing is identifying the zones of resistance and support, and then identifying a trend. So wherever you see the body of buyers and sellers, if this is the body of the sellers and that is the body and that is the body of the buyers, I'll look at that as my level of support. And if these are my if these are my buyers and these come in as my sellers, that would be my level of resistance. So if I come here on my chart, I'm going to come here and identify that as my support, and from this support we are heading to the upside, creating some bit of resistance. Can put it there, and you're seeing that the market is pulling back here. It's giving us the body of buyers and the body of sellers. What does that mean? That is support. And then from there we had this pullback. We are then having this impulse to the upside, having the body of buyers and sellers on the same level, giving us resistance. The market pulling back to this zone here, body of sellers and then body of buyers. What does that give us? It is giving us support. So we're having that pull back there. From here, we're having this impulse to the upside. What is it giving us? Body of buyers and body of sellers. What is that? That is resistance. Okay, giving us our pullback, and then from there we're having an impulse. The same thing goes on like that, like that, like that. So here we are having our pullback to this zone. So if you're to use your trend line, you're going to draw from this lowest point here, and then draw connecting all the zones there. So here we are having our uptrend. We're having the market giving us impulse, pullback, and you're seeing that the market's creating higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, while respecting the lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So this is giving us our uptrend. And then from here, we're having this impulse to the upside. After having that impulse to the upside, what are we seeing? We are seeing that the buyers are coming back to this zone. They're retesting that zone. What have they formed here? What have they formed here? You're seeing the body of sellers, and then you're having a body of buyers. What is that? This is a level of support. So price is respecting this zone as support. Remember, they always tell you that buyers are taken from buys are taken from support, and then sales are taken from resistances. So after seeing price respecting this zone here, we are having our trend line. The market is respecting this zone as support. They're saying that the market has been pushing to the upside while respecting the lower highs. What does that give us? An uptrend. So after getting our support at this level here, we are going to get our buys at that point, putting the stop loss below that level of support. And then for the take profit, we can aim for the resistance at that point as our take profit. Okay, so let us see how it played out. Beautiful trade. You're seeing that even when the market pulled back, came back and respected our trend line, and then it went to our take profit. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any video that you want us to make for you, put it down in the comment section. We shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.